Let's make art. I have white paint, green paint, I have blue paint, and I have gold paint. Some glitters and a whole bunch more paint. I have this one. I have a piece of canvas and some tape. You get it? The song is saying we're gonna pour the praise out just like we're gonna pour this paint. Alright, so the end is gonna have some real nice gold paint, which I'll finish up later. Cut this off. Guys, we don't need to buy everything we want to do decoration with, alright? So I'm showing you guys how to sometimes just decorate your homes on a budget. Make your own artwork. So you're personalizing your homes, alright? You will always have a unique home when you personalize it, when you do some level of DIY and additional pieces. People will just ask you, where did you get that? And you have the pleasure of telling them, well, I actually made that. All right, and everybody can make something. We have a creative father. We have a creative gene as a result of that. And we all can create, oh my God, my armpits. We all can create something beautiful. But sometimes we just need some motivation. Definitely my motivation came from the fact that of enough unaffordability for things and still wanting them. And I just learned how to make them. So that way, forever, I will save money in my life and use what God gave to me, which is creativity. All right. Okay. So, yeah, this is Kish from Destiny Hats and Destiny Designs, and now House of Destiny. So this is my home decor video. Okay. All right. So I think I got it. The beauty about this is that you can always go back and fix any error, because we're gonna not focus on the edge with our paint, but mostly on the center of the canvas. And canvases can be really expensive too, so. All right, so now I have the edges taped out, which is where my goal line is going to go. Now I'm gonna start off on my canvas with the white paint. I'm just gonna pour it. All right, so even though the canvas is white, you may be wondering, why do I need to add white paint to this? Well, it makes it brighter, all right, and then all the other paints just blends better with it. What I did to make my paint a little bit more pourable is to add water and a little glue base. So for the glue base, I used Mod Podge, and then I added water.
I'm sorry, but can I get the white paint?
Here. Thank you. I want to do artwork when I'm doing my artwork. Wow, nice. So to help this along, I have these little sponge brushes.
So that's black.
Not to impress.
Oh, that looks nice. Okay,
let me tell you something, guys. Painting can be so relaxing, therapeutic, and just wonderful for the mind. I'll let this run. It's a pour paint, so it needs to run. Let it run. Some of the parts of this canvas had some dirt marks, so I am definitely putting this white over it to bring up the white in the background. It's gonna make the painting overall just look richer. All right, so now I have some excess paint that I'm gonna put back in the cup. All right, so.
Probably won't be as good as mine, but Yeah.
That's my white. And this paint is very easy to clean off. It's just water based. Alright. Now the next color I will be putting on is green. So I'm putting green here. And then I'm adding blue here. Look at that, you guys. Wow. And then I'm gonna put some gold. Okay, so big splash. And then I'm gonna get my blow dryer. So I'm gonna turn this blow dryer on this bad boy on. And I'm gonna spread. Now watch this. The gold leaf looks like this. And what you would do with this is just like spread it in a spot like that. But before you do, you're gonna need some glue underneath it. So I'm gonna get this glue, which is my Mod Podge glue. Hold on, my hand is so heavy today with this. Put some there. I will find an area to put this. I'm gonna finish putting some gold leaf all around it and put my borders on the edge, and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Yes. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. Do you own art? Before I go, do you own art? Get you some canvas, work with some color, a pink and gold alone, put just a little bit in the middle, work with a smaller canvas. This is what I had on hand. Work with a smaller canvas and push from the sides of it. Pour your paint on the edges, like that. For instance, look, this end and that end of your small canvas, and push the paint in towards the middle, and you'll probably have a better result than what I am working on here with this long piece of art. So it's two pieces, so whatever I do on this, I have to kind of match it on the other part, and then just kind of blend it all in. I'm gonna show you another piece that I made with two canvases. Hold on, guys. Okay. Where's the light? Can you see on this wall? These two pieces just highlighting this wall. So this was white, silver, and gold piece blended together. So if you get two slender pieces of of paint. I think I love the color. 2 slender pieces. This is the other piece. 1 piece of art. All right, so I'm gonna continue to blow and spread this. Be motivated. Bye.